कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन। कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन को दो नाम दिए गए हैं, privileged information and property information. Why this information is considered to be so much privileged or it is considered to be the property of someone. This is because confidential information is a privileged information that is shared among few people for further processing. For example, whenever we talk about the relationship between the physician and the patient, we considered it as a fundamental relationship. Why is it so? Because the medical record of the patient is considered to be the confidential. That's why patient can share each and everything with the doctor. Now, unauthorized people are not allowed to take advantage from the confidential information. यहाँ पे हम पेशेंट और फिजिशियन के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे, that the medical record is considered to be a confidential information. यहाँ पे confidential information हम नेशनल बायोसेफ्टी रूल 2005 के मुताबिक पढ़ेंगे. Now, according to National Biosafety Rule 2005, the applicant information is considered to be confidential. अगर applicant ने अपनी application में कोई information confidential designate की है, तो ये National Biosafety Committee की duty बनती है कि वो उसकी information को confidential रखे. Either this information deals with the new technology or with the genetically modified organism such as genetically modified animal or plant, then it can deal with the cell fusion experiment or with any other new technique dealing with the field of biotechnology. Then the applicant can talk about or give information about the commercialization of the products. These are the genetically modified organisms, substances or the cells. इन सारी information को confidential रखा जाता है, either by giving the symbols or by writing confidential at the top of the envelope. Now this information is protected with Article 21 of Cartagena Protocol as set forth in the Biosafety Guidelines of National Biosafety Rule 2005.